Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on Bluetooth on your Garmin Forerunner 255. First, make sure your watch is powered on. Then, download and open the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. It is available for both Apple and Android devices. Also, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, as this is essential for the connection process. Now, let's get your watch ready for pairing. From your watch face, press and hold the up button for about 2 seconds to open the controls menu. Scroll down and select Connectivity, then tap on Phone. Finally, choose Pair Phone to put your Forerunner 255 into discoverable mode, ready to connect. With your watch in pairing mode, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. If this is your first device, the app will guide you. Otherwise, select Garmin Devices and Add Device. The app should automatically detect your Forerunner 255. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on your watch. Enter this code into the app to confirm the connection. After entering the code, simply follow any final instructions within the Garmin Connect app. Both your watch and phone will display a confirmation message once successfully paired. Remember, it's best to pair directly through the app, not your phone's Bluetooth settings. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your Forerunner 255 and your smartphone often resolves them. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.